Are you ready to transform your career with LinkedIn? Whether you are job hunting, networking, or building your personal brand, mastering this platform is essential. In this guide, we will unveil powerful strategies to make your profile stand out and attract the right opportunities. Say goodbye to missed connections and hello to your dream job. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of LinkedIn together. So, hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use LinkedIn for beginners. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into linkedin.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So LinkedIn is a professional networking platform designed to connect individuals and businesses. It allows users to create profile that highlight their skills, experience, and achievement. One of the key benefits is the ability to network with industry professionals, which can lead to job opportunities and collaborations. Additionally, LinkedIn provides access to a world of resources, including articles, job postings, and industry insights. Using LinkedIn can significantly enhance your professional presence and open doors to career advancement. Stay tuned until the end of this video, where we will reveal insider tips on maximizing your LinkedIn profile. You won't want to miss our step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to attract recruiters and expand your network. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this is your chance to unlock LinkedIn full potential. Let's dive in and transform your professional journey together. So let's get started. So the first step that you have to do is just click over continue with Google as an first option. Then if you want to also just find your account, you click over sign in with your email, or if you want to create your account, you click over join now and you'll find the page here. If you click over join now, you'll write your personal information such as we have email address, password, and then you'll find the home page. Here we have it as you can see. So here we have to prepare for the job search. For example, if you want to just post a job here and you have just to search for start a post here, try writing with EA. Also here we have such as media, event, write article if you want. Then here we have if you want to add your work experience and skills to show your strength to recruiters. So you have just to update profile and this is it. Then also we have here other options if you want groups, events, followed hashtags as well. Then this is it for the home. Also we have here messaging if you want to start discuss with recruiters and you'll search for a job. Then here we have my network as well. So about this one, you have just to manage your network connection. We have here following and followers, groups, events, pages, newsletter, hashtags, and this is it. Also you have two options here, grow and catch up. So here we have job changes, birthdays, work anniversaries, education, just to grow your network and you get started. Then we have here jobs as well. For example, here you have to suggest job searches. For example, marketing manager, HR, legal, sales, Amazon, Google analyst. Want more jobs? Click here to continue searching over 20 million jobs on LinkedIn. So you can just search jobs right now. So in the left top we find here preferences. Once you click over preferences, you will find here my interests. For example, job preferences visible to recruiters only. Then we have job alerts, top job picks for you based on your profile and activity. Then we have here my qualification, resumes, and application data. Privately share your skills and experience with recruiters. Then we have my verifications as well. Verification helps enhance your profile's credibility and trust in job search. Then we have here my jobs. So here we have it saved, in progress, applied, archived as well. So learn what hiring managers look for in answers to top interview questions. So for example, you have described your most challenging project, why should we hire you? So if you like this kind of questions and you want more to know it, you have just to go to the jobs here and you click over interview prepper. So you'll find all these questions. All right, and this is it right now. Then let's just go to the important one, which is post a job with EA. So this one you have just to click over post a job with EA and you will find this page. Find your next great hire. 80% of jobs get a qualified applicant in one day. So you have just to choose your job title and you click over write with EA or write on my own. or on my way. Also, here we have posting a job has just become easier. Craft your job description in one click using skills insights from LinkedIn's member base. Target qualified applicants for your role using recommended must-have qualifications. Get 3 more qualified applicants when you promote your job. So here we have it. Once you click overwrite with EA, you will find our page, which is this one. So we have just 2 links, some information like job title, company, workplace type, job location, job type. Then we have the description, and this is it. Also, we have your skills and how did you hear about LinkedIn jobs as well. Then you click over next. So this is it. So this is how you can get started and post a job. Then we have a manage job posts as well. So you have just to write your email address and your password. You can use the same email address and password that you used on LinkedIn. Then you can just click for signing in and you get started to manage your job posts also. Then we have here also messaging here, notifications, and we have for business here. You can here explore more business, for example, hire on LinkedIn, start with LinkedIn, post a job for free, advertise on LinkedIn, get started with premium, learn with LinkedIn, admin center, and we have here if you want to create a company page, for example, connect with clients, employees, and the LinkedIn community. To get started, you have just choose a page type, for example, company, showcase page, educational institution also. So this is how it works with LinkedIn. So LinkedIn serves as a powerful platform for professional networking, enabling users to connect, collaborate, and showcase their skills. It facilitates career advancement by offering opportunities for job searching and recruitments. The platform also fosters knowledge sharing through industry insights and discussions. Overall, LinkedIn is essential for building a robust professional presence in today's digital landscape. So this is it. So you can just get started if you search for a job. If you want also to post a job and wait for it, we have just to sign in, or you can just create an account on LinkedIn and you start with it. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.